When you're in New Zealand, in the Rotorua area, there's a couple of reserves where you can see the geothermal activity. One of these reserves is called the Wai-O-Tapu Scenic Reserve. When you enter this reserve, there is a visitors center. This visitors center houses the restrooms, the gift shop, the cafe, and an information center with tour maps. The staff is very knowledgeable and helpful, so make full use of their guidance. I recommend using the restrooms at the visitors center as there are none in the park. The tour is self-guided and has plenty of signage. The routes vary from 1 kilometer to 3 kilometers, and depending on how much time and territory you want to cover, I want to recommend taking the full tour as this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. As you begin the tour, the first two stops are by the features called Rainbow Crater and Thunder Crater. As you walk by the craters, you can see the craters are lined up with colorful elements that come up with the steam and being deposited on the sides. The colors from the oxidized materials can be purple from manganese, red from iron, and yellow from sulfur. Some of these craters are deep and sound ominous with all the bubbling and the hissing sounds emanating from them. The mud pool is an acidic hot spring with limited water. The acid and the microorganisms decompose the rock into clay and create the mud. This mud pool is aptly called the Devil's Ink Pot. Towards Station 5 and 6, you come across the area called the Artist Palette and the Champagne Pool. The Champagne Pool name is derived from the constant efflux of carbon dioxide gas, similar to a glass of bubbling champagne. The vibrant colors come from rich deposits of minerals and silicates. The silicate structures around the edge of the pool is teeming with microbial life. This crater by far is the most fascinating item on the tour. The pool, as you can see from the picture, has a singular consistent color. This color again changes during the day. During my visit, it was green. The water is calm and absolutely still, creating the illusion of being a green glass top. You then walk towards what is known as the Lady Knox Geyser. This is a favorite attraction for everyone who visits the reserve. If you haven't seen a geyser before, don't miss this station.
We recommend you take all your pictures over initial eruption, and there's no guarantee there'll be another or that. Okay, this is fun. Just a little warning, everyone who came nice and early, who's in the first 3 rows or so, you might get a little wet today, but don't worry, by the time the water's reached you, it's cool 15 degrees, might just feel a bit soapy to the touch. Now I'm going to go because I've already had a shower today, but I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your time at work in Wonderland. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me or anyone else at the visitor center.
I think the water together. The water coming out. I don't want to get wet.
No, you won't get wet, okay?
Water. Very soon because water's coming out now. I'm gonna go with Mum.
Overall, after you take this tour, which may last between 2 to 4 hours, you not only are amazed by the geothermal activity at the reserve, but also nature's power. If you like this video, please go to my blog, travelwithravi.com, and also hit the subscribe button. Thank you.